Comparing different ways to use a spotlight. Using a spotlight allows you to take pictures with an unusual and dramatic image. A spotlight has a lens attached to the front of the light, so the light does not spread out but rather shines in a straight line. In this video, I will show you various ways to use a spotlight. I will use a LED spotlight from Deadlight. First, I will shine the spotlight from the front. This light has a ring that moves the lens back and forth, which can be rotated to change the size of the light, so first we will try spreading the light out. Shining it from the front created a cool image, but because the light is too spread out, it feels a little lacking in impact. Next, turn the ring of the spotlight to narrow the light. The same hard light is hitting the subject from the front, but by narrowing down the light, the area around the subject becomes darker, drawing the eye to the person and creating a more impactful image. It looks very cool. Now, to soften the spotlight, I place the diffuser in front of the light. By shining the light through the diffuser, the light spreads out. The light is also softer, but the image is still flat and uninteresting. In this case, I wanted to take a cool shot, so a hard light would be better suited. Finally, try shining the spotlight from the side. Shining it from the side creates shadow, which creates a cool image. Personally, I prefer narrowing the light from the front. Here is one more extra. The spotlight is a concentrator light, so if you place something in front of the light, you can make its shadow clearly appear. So if I place a board cut out in the shape of a window frame in front of the spotlight, I can create a shadow of the window frame. It looks like this. Interesting, isn't it? Depending on how you use a spotlight, you can take a variety of shots. Please give it a try.